Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals with another video. You know, I like 12 gauge aluminum wire. So I have my 12 gauge aluminum wire, my wire cutters, and round nose pliers and flat nose pliers. I have something to make a round shape with. So I decided to do a pair of hoops, but different than the regular hoop. So let's check out what we do. I cut two 24-inch lengths of my wire. I start by making a loop on one end of both pieces of my wire, and after I make my loop, I'm going to use my bottle to shape it into a round shape, more of a U shape, to just get me started on the length of the size of my hoop. Now I take the second side and I make another loop, but this loop I'm going to start wrapping the wire around the length, and I'm just going to go back and forth wrapping the wire around my main wire until I'm finished. At the end of the wire, I'm careful to turn the wire inside so it doesn't scratch anything. These didn't turn out exactly how I envisioned them, so I decided to try it again with a longer piece of wire. This time, the next time I used 36 inches of wire because I wanted a fuller look. So, and I did get a fuller look, and I also decided to change the way that I did the hook to secure the ear hook. In this version, I left the back hook part open so that it's easier to fasten the earring. Well, they turned out nice, and I like them. I tried them on to make sure that they're not heavy, and the heavier version was not heavy at all. So, you know the drill. If you like this video, please like, leave me a comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.